Hi friends, the topic that we are going to look today is ratio and proportion. What is ratio? Ratio is nothing but quantitative relationship between the values. It is usually denoted by A is to B. It can be written in the form A by B. Here A is called antecedent and B is consequent. And we must know this rule for further calculation, that is multiplication or division of each term by the same number doesn't affect the ratio. Let's take 2:5. Multiply by 2 on both the terms, we get 4:10. Multiply by 3, we get 6:15. Multiply by 4, we get 8:20. These are all the equal ratios. And also divide the same number. Consider the ratio 4:20. Divide by 2, we get 2:10. And also divided by 4, we get 1:5. These are all the equal ratios. So we can multiply and divide the same number. The prime ratio will always remain the same. Let's see some examples in the ratio. Given A is to B is equal to 5:9 and B is to C is equal to 4:7. Find A is to B is to C. We can solve this problem in the easiest way. Just write the given values. A is to B is 5:9 and B is to C is 4:7. To find A is to B is to C. To find the value of A, multiply 5 into 4, that is A into B. 5 into 4 is 20. And to find the value of B, multiply 4 into 9, that is 36. And find the value of C, multiply 9 into 7, that is 63. So remember this inverted n to find the values of A, B, C. Here there are no common factor, so this is the final answer. 20:36:63. That's all. And second problem, if A is to B is equal to 3:4 and B is to C is equal to 8:9, find A is to C. This problem also solved by the same method. So given A is to B 3:4 and B is to C 8:9, to find A is to C. First we find A is to B is to C. So multiplying this same method. So 3 into 8, 8 into 4, 4 into 9. 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. Here the common factor is 4. So divided by 4 we get 6:8:9. This is the answer of A is to B is to C. But the question is find A is to C only. So take the values corresponding to A and C only. So A is to C is equal to C is to 9. Here the common factor is 3. So divided by 3 we get 2:3. So the simplified answer is 2:3. Let's see next problem. Given A is to B is 8:15, B is to C is 5:8, C is to D is 4:5. Then find A is to D. Here there are 4 variables A, B, C, D. So let's solve this problem in another method. Just write in this way. So A B, C, D, and given value is 8, 15, and BC is 5, 8, and CD is 4, 5. Here draw an empty box in these empty places and fill up these empty boxes using the adjacent number. Here the adjacent number is 15, so take 15 and 15 here, and the adjacent number is 5, so take 5 here, and here the nearest number is 8, so take 8. Here the nearest number is 4, so take 4. Take row wise adjacent only. Next, multiply these numbers in column wise. We get 8 into 5 into 4 is equal to 160. 15 into 5 into 4 is equal to 300. 15 into 8 into 4 is equal to 480. 15 into 8 into 5 is equal to 600. We can easily see that 10 is a common factor, so divided by 10 we get 16, 30, 48 and 60. And also 2 is the common factor, so divided by 2 we get 8, 15, 24, 30. This is the value of A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 8 is to 15 is to 24 is to 30. But the question is find A is to D only. So take the values corresponding to A and D. So A is to D is equal to 8 is to 30. Here the common factor is 2. So divided by 2 we get 4 is to 15. 4 is to 15 is the simplified answer for A is to D. And we can solve this same problem in another way, that is given A is to B. It can be written by A by B. So A by B is equal to 8 by 15 and B by C is equal to 5 by 8 and C by D is equal to 4 by 5. So that A by D is equal to, multiplying these together, A by B into B by C into C by D. Cancelling B, B and C, C, we get A by D. So we write A by D in this way and substitute the given values. A by B is 8 by 15, B by C is 5 by 8 and C by D is 4 by 5. Cancelling 5, 5 and 8, 8, we get 4 by 15. So A by D is equal to 4 by 15. That is A is to D is equal to 4 is to 15. If they are asking A is to B is to C is to D, you can use this method. This is the easiest way for finding the value of A, B, C, D. Or else asking like A is to D only, you may use this method. Is enough. This so much of calculation is not necessary. Let me solve another type of problem. Given the three equal ratios A by 3, B by 4 equal to C by 5. Consider it is equal to K. So multiply this. A by 3 is equal to K, which is equal to 3K, and B by 4 is equal to K, so B equal to 4K and C equal to 5K. Find A is to B is to C. So A is to B is to C is equal to A is 3K is to 4K is to 5K. Here the common factor is 4. So divided by 4 we get 3 is to 4 is to 5. Suppose the question is given like this. Let's see how to solve this one. Given 2A is equal to 3B. We can write this A by B is equal to 3 by 2 and B by C is equal to 5 by 4. Find A is to C. So that A by C is equal to A by B into B by C. Cancelling B, which is equal to A by C. So we can write A by C in this way. Substitute these values. A by B is 3 by 2 into B by C is 5 by 4. So it is equal to 15 by 8. So that A is to C is 15 is to 8. And next question is, the ratio of 4 power 3.5 is to 2 power 5 is same as, choose the correct one. So simplifying the given ratio, 4 power 3.5 is equivalent to 4 power 3.5 by 2 power 5. It is equal to, write 2 square as 4. So 2 square power 3.5 by 2 power 5. Multiply 2 into 3.5, we get 2 power 7 by 2 power 5. Cancel 2 power 5, 2 power 5. So it is equal to 2 square. Consider here 1. So it is equal to 4 by 1. So the answer is 4 is to 1. Answer B is the right answer. Next problem is, given 15% of x is equal to 20% of y, then we have to find that x is to y. 15% means 15 by 100 of x is equal to 20% is 20 by 100 of y. Take unknown values on left hand side, so x by y, and the numerical values on right hand side, 20 by 100 into 100 by 15. Cancelling the common terms, so it is equal to 4 by 3. So x is to y is equal to 4 is to 3. We go to next problem. Divide rupees 672 in the ratio 5 is to 3. So the given amount is 672. So it can be divided into two parts in the ratio 5 is to 3. So first we calculate sum of the ratio terms. Sum of the ratio terms is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So calculate first part. First part is equal to, the total amount is 672. Sharing amount is 5. The total share is 8. So 672 into 5 by 8, which is equal to rupees 420. And find the second part. Given amount is 672 and second share is 3 by total share is 8. So it is equal to 252. The next problem is, divide rupees 1162 among A, B, C in the ratio 35 is to 28 is to 20. So given amount is 1162. We have to split into three parts in the ratio 35 is to 28 is to 20. So first we calculate sum of the ratio terms. Is equal to 35 plus 28 plus 20, which is equal to 83. So total share is 83. First find A's share is equal to rupees total amount is 1162 into A's share is 35 by total share is 83. Cancelling this value, which is equal to 14. 14 into 35 is equal to rupees 490. And calculate B's share, which is equal to rupees 1162 into second one is 28 by 83. So cancelling this, 14 into 35 is equal to 14 into 28 is equal to 392. And calculate C's share is rupees, total amount is 1162 into sharing is 20 by 83. So 14 into 20 is equal to rupees 280. So that the answer is 490, 392 and 280.